In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a folder in Google Drive quickly and safely using a couple of simple methods depending on what you want to do. If you want to make a folder less visible, clean up your drive, or remove something from your main view without deleting it, this guide will help. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the account that has the folder you want to hide. Once you're inside Drive, look through your files and find the folder you want to make less visible. The first method is to move it into another folder that you don't check very often, like a private folder or a storage folder. To do that, right-click the folder you want to hide. From the menu, choose Organize, then click Move. Now you'll see a list of folders where you can place it. Select a less visible folder or create a new private folder if needed, then confirm the move. This doesn't delete anything, it simply changes where the folder lives, so it's not sitting right out in your main Drive view. This is a great option if you still want full access to the folder later, but you just want it out of the way for now. It's also useful if you share your screen often, because the folder won't be sitting in the most obvious place. Once the move is complete, go back to your main Drive view, and you'll see the folder is now tucked away inside the folder you selected. Now, if your goal is to remove the folder from view rather than move it somewhere else, there's another option you can use. Right-click the folder again, and this time choose Remove. This removes the folder from My Drive, which helps hide it from your main file list. Just keep in mind that this is not the same as permanently deleting it. If the folder is shared or stored elsewhere, it may still exist, depending on the account and permissions. So before you use Remove, make sure you understand whether you just want it out of sight or fully gone. A quick tip here, if you're trying to hide sensitive information, moving the folder into a more private folder is usually the safer choice. That way you still keep control of it, and you're not risking confusion about whether the folder was deleted or simply removed from view. You can also rename folders in a way that makes them easier for you to find later, while keeping them less noticeable to anyone casually browsing your drive. If you don't see the Organize or Move option right away, make sure you're right-clicking the actual folder and not a file inside it. Sometimes the context menu can look a little different depending on the device or browser you're using, so take your time and click carefully. If you're on a laptop, a trackpad tap can sometimes be mistaken for a left click, so using the right-click menu clearly is important. And that's really all there is to it. You can hide a folder in Google Drive by moving it into a less visible location or by removing it from My Drive so it no longer shows up in your main file list. It's fast, easy, and doesn't require any complicated settings. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.